Okay, here is the duck boat, the bottom part anyway. That handle's going to be on later. That's the front. And we'll go to the back. It's 14 feet long. It's the back section. And the ribs, and see the cockpit section. Now today we cut these access holes. Actually, they're ventilation holes, because this back part is going to be pretty well sealed off. And this, you see where the cockpit's going to go in. And a lot of today was spent just small fiberglass jobs, like this part. There's fiberglass over a flaw in the wood. And we did a lot of fillets where the plywood comes into together with the gun. The plywood intersects with the gunnels. See all those fillets that fills those holes, and thickened epoxy. We use this Cabasil to thicken the epoxy. And there's fiberglass and all kind of stuff. So, and there's more sheets, and these are going to be runners for the bottom. But there she is in all her beauty. Hope you like it.